Hey guys, Manaki Senpai here and welcome to my devlog. This is my game Heilmwater. I'm currently working on it. It's a top-down, old-school Zelda style game with slight elements of Metroidvania thrown around and MOBA style combat, that is League of Legends style combat. Alright, so this week's plan is this. So start with sprinting, then stamina, then inventory, torch, then dialogue system. I'm actually like researching on the dialogue system a bit. Do I want to use ink or twine to make my dialogue system? I'll integrate either this or this with Unity, but I need to look further in them and then add a llama NPC because why not? Subscribe to llama dev, by the way. Add E ability. This stuff can wait actually. So this is a priority. So we'll start with sprinting. No, we'll start with stamina bar first because you need to stamina first to sprint, am I right? So let's go to my HUD. So the way I did my health bar, ideally I would just have to copy the health bar script into the energy script, I think. Alright, so that's our energy system done. I just need to subtract energy every time I use skills. Alright, so I'll add the energy cost on each abilities. So this is the energy. Oh yeah, it decreased. So yeah, it works then. And once you're out of energy, you can't dash anymore. See, perfect. Yay. Alright, so now that my spirit energy stuff is finished, I will work on the sprinting. So here I'm making the sprinting sprite, looking at Naruto run references because it's a Naruto run, because why not, you know? So yeah, I'm just drawing Naruto run. I like using Mediving paint instead of Krita, so which is good. I'm using Mediving paint because I'm used to using it from so many years. Unlike Krita, I hate Krita. Why do Mediving paint doesn't have a timeline? Like just add a timeline feature and I will never use Krita again. Yeah, now I go to Krita to animate it. I did the rough part in Mediving paint. The animation took quite a lot longer than I expected. So I didn't do anything else besides sprinting and spirit. I mean, it's good enough progress for a week, but the animation took so much longer. And the perspective is orthogonal perspective of my game, right? It's not like normal perspective. In orthogonal, normally in our perspective, every object's lines meet up at a point, which is like normal 3-point perspective view. But in orthogonal perspective, two lines never meet. Does that make sense? It makes sense, right? Like in the grid, for example, in my game, it just goes straight parallel lines. It never meet. But if you see railway tracks in real life, right? So those are parallel lines, but they meet at a point, right, at the horizon. So yeah, that's the perspective difference. So it's kind of hard to draw sprites in orthogonal perspective, and I don't think I did a good job. I mean, it's all beta version, so I think it will be. It's okay. All right, so I finished drawing Arcane's sprint sprite and sitting sprite. I mean, it's not the best sprites in the world, but I mean, hey, I'll improve on it. Alright, so the sprinting is in place. So it's not so you press shift to sprint, but it's not like a toggle. Instead it gives you a movement speed bonus. So like here let me show you, which is decaying. So I'm sprinting, I pressed shift once and I was sprinting and now I'm walking again. So yeah, I need to repeatedly press shift every like 3 seconds or so, and if I want to go faster I can spam shift, then I'll go faster. And once I run out of stamina, I can't press shift anymore, nor I can use my other skills. So I can sit pressing control and it regains my stamina. I need to figure out a good sit pose. Right now it's like meh. Like Hyperlight Drifter has a nice sitting pose. I was thinking, is there any JoJo reference that I can use? Obviously the sprint speed, duration, and this max stamina that player will get will all differ, but it's much better. Also, people were asking me, what if player gets like tired of clicking well, you don't have to click it. It's just me. I play a lot of League of Legends, so I'm used to clicking it. You can just hold your mouse button and it will still move. Like, yeah, you don't have to click it like an insane person. Unless you are like me who plays League, then yeah, you can click. Also, you can't move while sitting, but you can dash while sitting. It's hilarious. I need to fix it in the scripts. It goes freaky when you press shift while sitting. I don't know. I need to fix that too. All the animations are kind of messed. That's the progress. Woo! Arcane go brrr. So yeah, it's a lot of fun now to move around. You can sprint like a boss. So you don't have to dash like what I did. Dash is just for combat and platforming, because dash takes up 5 stamina every this much distance, and you get a lot more area covered in one sprint. Sprint also costs 5 stamina. Alright, so let me show you how much distance one sprint can clear. Let me get out of this cave first. Alright, so here I'm okay. I'm here. Let's go there. So yeah, that's almost full arena. Well, before the sprint runs out. First is a short Q dash. Yeah, this is not worth 5 stamina. This is definitely worth 5 stamina. So this is just for slopes or obstacles or all the parkour and stuff. So yeah. We are so close to 100 subs. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. I appreciate every single view of you guys, and you can leave feedback in the comments and join my Discord. Bye bye.